about the different cleaning methods for cleaning your garments, and we've got the wet cleaning and the dry cleaning. Wet cleaning use water along with a mixture of detergent, conditioner and fragrance to clean. Usually when we talk about wet cleaning, it's when we wash in a washing machine. So wet cleaning can be simple, but we see a lot of common mistakes. For example, people use the wrong detergent or wrong temperature settings, and then your garment can be damaged. So we've got the wet cleaning here. Now, regarding the dry cleaning is a cleaning method that utilize organic solvents, so there's no water involved at all. It's only handled by a professional with great care in controlled environment. So why dry cleaning? So dry cleaning reduces the chance of discoloration, shrinkage and distortion of the fabric. It removes grease and tough oil stains as well, protect the texture of your garment and also increase the lifespan. So how do you know if your garment can be clean, either wet clean or dry clean? Very simple, you need to check the care label. And you can watch our video that we've done on how to read the care label. Thank you very much.